Hey guys, this is going to be an updated video on how to manually open the doors in your Tesla vehicle in the front and the back. I also want to show you this product that I have that makes opening the rear doors a little bit more straightforward and easy compared to the situation that we currently have. But depending on which Tesla you're driving, this can be a little bit different. I'm in a Model Y Juniper, and the nice thing about the update is we have these little icons to show that these are for opening the doors. So if you don't have access to electricity in your vehicle, you need to have a manual option. To manually open it, we're going to lift this lever right here, lift that up, and then we can manually open the door even if we don't have power in the car. So as we can see in the back seat, we still have this electronic button that we can use to open up the door, but there is no manual lever option right here. It's actually down in the pocket. So bringing the camera down here, we can see there is this little icon now on the Model Y Juniper to indicate that this is where the manual door opener is located. But even this design can actually be a little bit tricky to open this up, because really there's no way to open it unless you're putting your finger down here in the bottom corner, which you can then pry it open from there. And we see we have this little wire loop right there that we can pull on. And if I pull this, that gives us the ability to manually open the door. Now what I want to show you is this little thing that we can install into our Tesla vehicle, and I'll post a link to this down in the description if you'd like to check it out for yourself. So I'm going to loop this around this wire loop down there. And then this is going to give us a pull tab that we can Velcro inside this little pocket right here. So to install this, I'm going to run this right through this little side area right down here. So now I have the cover back on, and we can see this Velcro is running out of that side area right there. And then you can Velcro this end wherever you would like it to be located. But essentially, you're just giving an easy to access pull tab instead of, if you're in a situation, especially emergency situation, where you want to be able to quickly access the manual release for the back door. All you have to do is grab on to this little guy and then just pull it from here. It pops it right out. And then in the Model Y Juniper, we're going to pull it in the sideways direction. And then even with just one hand, I can pop it open with my other hand holding on to the camera. So it makes it very doable. So again, guys, just to show you this one more time, I have this pull tab installed, and it's running down this little side area right there with the cap back on. And if I need to manually open the door, I just grab onto this, pull it out, and it's just going to pop that right out. We're going to pull the door open to the side. Then we can push the door open and we're good to go. So a great little safety feature there if that's something that you're interested in. But now I'm going to take you over to a Legacy Model Y to show you another example. So here I'm in a Legacy Model Y, and we can see we don't have the icon on here to indicate that this is for opening the doors, but it's the same latch system there that we just pull up on this, and then we're going to be able to manually open this door. So this is a 2022 Model Y, and a number of these Teslas, they're gonna have like a little rubber mat over the manual release area. And once we take this out, then we can see below in this area, similar type of thing, but this one is quite a bit more difficult to pop open. What I recommend doing is, if you have one like this, to open it up with your fingers or a screwdriver or something. Initially the first time, just to get it open, and then maybe the next time that you push it down, maybe only snap one of the corners so that the next time you go in to open it up with your finger, it's just a little easier to open up. But what we can see down here is another one of those little pull tab areas. Now this one doesn't have a loop that I can get around with this particular loop ring. So unfortunately, this isn't going to work on this particular pull tab. If you want to get this guy to work, it needs to have something that it can loop around, and unfortunately, it has this foam thing glued on the end with no ability to wrap anything around in there. It's just a closed piece. But once we have a hold of this pull tab, we can pull it over to the side, and then we can push the door open manually. Another reason why this isn't the perfect solution to this scenario is because this is a hard plastic on the inside here, so the Velcro wouldn't be able to stick. If you have this type of situation, once you pop open this tab, the next time you go to push it down, I recommend just pushing like one of the corners in and leaving the other corner not all the way pushed in, but enough to where it's pretty flat. But then the next time that you go in here with your finger, you'd be able to just pop it open really simple. If you have it all the way pushed in and clicked down, it makes it a little tricky to get it open with just your fingers, especially if you're in an emergency situation. So that'll wrap this one up. Again, back over in my Model Y Juniper. If you have a situation like this where on the interior of this pocket you have a fabric situation where you can Velcro this on, that's great. And then of course you're going to need a pull tab that has some type of ring to it so that you can clip this onto that. But this just makes it so much easier to go in here and pop open this door. And if you're interested in this little device, I'll post a link to it down in the description and you can check it out there. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this video was helpful, and consider subscribing for more Tesla content in the future.